In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Zoom on your computer or on your laptop. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So if you want to get Zoom on your computer, it is pretty much simple. Just head over to this icon here. This is a Microsoft Store icon, and then click on it. Now from here, you will get to Microsoft Store, then proceed and create a free account before you can search for any app. Once you have created a free account using your Google account or Gmail account, proceed and then come here on top here and search for any program that you so wish. So for my case, I want to search for Zoom, so I'll search for Zoom. And as you can see, we have Zoom here. It is available for download. Go ahead and click on it, and then proceed and click on install to download your app. So once the download is done, it will be installed on your computer, and now we have the app on our computer. To launch the app or to start using this app, go ahead and quit Microsoft Store, then go to Start menu here, and you'll be able to see your Zoom app here. It will be under recently added. From here, you can right click on it and then pin it to Start menu, so that each and every time you want to use it, you can easily launch it from here. To launch it, just click on it and you'll be ready to start using Zoom. Now, by following these simple steps, you'll be able to install your Zoom app on your computer and then connect with your camera and start your meetings. If this video is helpful, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.